Got it.
Is there a window in the front? There is. Oh my god, Kenny. You're so weird.
We should be on one of those flip commercials. You know those video cameras?
Yeah, we have one.
Dude! Help me! Help me! Help me! Do I get some change back? You look at the pizzas, I'm gonna struggle getting out of this. Alright.